Hello, so I'm going to be showing you my two flashing LEDs. Right now they are flashing in unison, but next I want to be able to have them flash individually or just at different times, whatever I am capable of at that moment. But for now, they are in unison. And I wanted to show my code first. It's a very simple code. I didn't try to overcomplicate because it is my first time using an Arduino. I had the goal of making the lights flash for a second or 1,000 milliseconds. The code is basically showing just that. It goes on high, which is on for 1,000 milliseconds or 1 second. Then, after the delay, it turns off for the same amount of time, and then it repeats constantly until I turn it off. Then I have over here, let me try to grab it, my motherboard and breadboard, and I have my red wires going from the motherboard in the pin where I wanted to start my LEDs, and in this case it's pin 7, and they're going from pin 7 to the positive side of the board right here. Then I have the black cord going from the ground of the motherboard to the breadboard on the negative side. And then just focusing on the breadboard here, I have 2 resistors. I believe they're 220 ohms, and the resistors are connecting the positive side of the board to the LEDs. There's the red and the blue in unison flashing for a second at a time. It goes on, off, and repeats on a loop. And they go from the LEDs to these little orange wires that are down here. They're very low, but they're connecting that same row of where the LED is to the positive side, or the negative side. Goes from the LEDs to the negative side of the breadboard here. And then I believe the power is surging up from the positive to the negative, positive, negative, and it just repeats. Yeah, that's about it.